Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a special video as we are filming our 100 subscriber special. We're going to be reviewing set 42082, the LEGO Technic pile driver. So let's begin. Over on this side we have these nice little tools. Here's a wrench and a hammer / a chisel. And on the other side, in this neat little compartment, we have chains. It's just two kind of little small ones here. We'll turn it down to the bottom half and let's turn the feet down. We'll turn it on, and here is what that looks like in the gears. Here we can see the feet being lowered. And we're going to grab a pad here because the feet do not quite reach the ground, so we need a pad. We need to line it up in these dots, and there we go. Here is the 4-wheel steering. You can see all 4 of the wheels can turn, gives you a tighter turning circle. Here's what that looks like on the underside. You can see the light grey gears here working together. And this is for if you were to hold all 3 of the wheels, then the last one would still move. And that's what that helps with. Here is the fan, which is connected up to the pistons here. And they're quite cool. Here's the underside. And here is a nice little oil filter decoration that they've added. Now, there is also a kind of automated turning that you can do, where you can switch that on, and it can go clockwise and anti-clockwise. Here we have this nice little flap at the top here, which hides some wires. So if we just lift this little bit up here, we can get access to them. There they are. Here's a look at the top side. There's the switches there, and there is the panel that changes between the bottom half and the top half. Now here is the passenger seat, which has a neat little handle to turn it up and down. Here is it with a little Lego figure at the wheel, and here's it to scale with the Lego figure. Here's it also to scale with another set I've reviewed. Let's turn it to the top half now and flick this switch here, turn it on, and here is it in the gears. Here is the massive kind of pile driver arm raising. Here is the main 2 pistons, or you can mainly just see one here. Here is it fully lowered, and we slide in a little pad here. We'll put it down with a little handle in the back, open it up, and we will put a pin in. Here it is, hammering in. We can now remove the arm, and there's some other switches there, as you can see. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is, I'm afraid, the end of the video. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. We're very thankful and we hope to produce some good videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.